the word same to indicate exact similarity or identity. When same person, same place, same idea. We saw the same person at the cafe yesterday. They return to the same place every summer. That's the same idea I had during the meeting, to express agreement or shared experience. Same here. Feel the same. Think the same. Fint, I'm tired. Same here, she replied. And we all feel the same about the new policy. I think the same, it's the best solution, to refer to repetition or continuity. And same old, same routine, same again. Every day feels like the same old routine. He follows the same routine each morning. Would you like another drink? Yes, the same again, please. To highlight lack of difference, and same as exactly the same, not the same. Her coat is the same as mine. These two phones are exactly the same in design. And then this version is not the same as the original, to emphasize equality or fairness. Same treatment, same rights, same opportunity. Everyone should receive the same treatment regardless of status. They are fighting for the same rights as everyone else, and we all deserve the same opportunity to succeed.